my lovelies? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I welcome you with lots of love. And in today's video, we are just doing a quick, simple beat. This beat is just so soft, so beautiful. It's so perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you guys like what you see, then keep on watching. I want my face to look so good. I think today I want to like draw the eyebrows. This looks so good. Like my eyebrows. One thing about me is that lately I haven't really been caring for my eyebrows too much. And with your makeup, you guys don't ever be afraid to go heavy-handed on blending it out, because makeup is makeup. How you play with it and how you deal with it is how you control it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Milani Make It Dewy spray, you guys. This is so amazing. I haven't used this in like so long. So I want my face to feel very much so moisturized. And my Palmer Skin Therapy Oil is out. I need to go buy it tomorrow ASAP. I just want my face to feel more nourishing and moisture. I just want that flawless skin finish. You know, my skin is so beautiful, you guys. We have to talk about it. We really do have to get into the skincare. I have been going hard on my skincare this year. You guys, I just don't want to go on my eyebrows because this is so dewy. So what I'm gonna do is try to get the bottom half of my face. Do you see how dewy that is? Oh my goodness, that is like a crazy finish. It really just did something to my face. So good. So now I'm gonna go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer and prime the skin. This primer is just amazing. I should just put on my hands first. Just spread it on the face. I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'm gonna go in with this P. Louise Base and Rumor number 3, and then I'm just going to blend this out. So I'm gonna go in with this MAC brush. It's so old, I don't even have the number to it anymore. I'm just gonna fade out the ends to this base, and I'm just gonna go in with the face. I like it when my face is done first, and then when I do my eyes, when I see everything's complete. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what it is. I just love to see the lashes I add to the makeup looks with the full beat, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna go in with one foundation today. I'm gonna go in with this NARS Soft Matte Foundation in New Caledonia. So you guys already know my favorite concealers would definitely be the Too Faced Born This Way concealers. I'm gonna go in with Chai first and then top it up with Butterscotch. I really just love to just use a beauty blender to spread out my concealer because it just smooths out everything. It makes it look so good. I feel like the face is snatching more because of the Milani Make It Dewy spray. Using my foundation brush just to go over those concealer lines. I love the Huda Beauty powders, and this one's in Kunafa, but the only thing is because I'm dry skin, it just cracks up underneath my eyes. I really do love that powder. It's so beautiful. I'm also gonna go in with the Laura Mercier powder in Honey, and I'm gonna also try medium deep. What I'm gonna do is I'm going in with medium deep first, and I'm just adding it to the ends of that concealer placement. Tap it in. Then I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty. Just gonna go in with some bronzer. My favorite, my Morphe Deep Glam palette. And see how I'm just dabbing it in to my forehead? Yeah, because now I'm bringing it down a little bit above my eyebrows. That's how I calm down my forehead so it won't look too massive and big. I'm also going to use the same bronzer for my nose. Get it together early. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. And where's my favorite brush? Having so much brushes is crazy. You never know what to grab. I'm just gonna grab this shade right here. Oh, that shade is pretty. That is so pretty. Blend it towards the bridge of my nose. See? So it can give us that nice definition. I'm going in with Makeup by Yolando's Beats by Deb palette. This palette has like the best matte shades. I'm going with this one called Skin. Add on top of this shade. I'm gonna go back in with the shade I used before just to blend that out and add Skin to the top of that other eyeshadow we added. I'm just gonna add this shade all over my eyelids. All over my eyelids real quick, nothing too serious. Just like so. Now I'm gonna just line the eyes with the e.l.f. liner. Because I like to go upwards with my line. Do this. Yeah, that's so pretty. I basically like to trace my line, but you gotta make sure that you don't move too much, because if you move, this whole thing will just crack. See how pretty that is? So you see how my face is just like this, like stretched up high? You cannot look up. If you look up, that is gonna go right on top of your eyeshadow and you're gonna cry at the end of the day. So do not look up because you're gonna cry. I forgot to go in with some powder. Yes, yes, yes. Fill in the liner. You guys see my wing? Yeah. I'm gonna go in with my big lashes. Oh, you know which ones I want to try? My double stacked ones. I'm gonna try my double stacked ones, y'all. I haven't figured out the name for these ones, but I double stacked them. Ooh. Look how pretty my lashes are. They are double stacked, but they're super gorgeous. I think they're more gorgeous double stacked than it is singled. I don't know what it is. I love thick, big lashes, you guys. They just suit me better. Yeah, it looks really, really good. I was wondering how it's gonna look again when I put this on. This is my second time putting on these double stack ones, and they look really, really good. My brand, and I am trying to rebrand soon for the Dolly vibe. They look good. If you don't like this type of thickness, you can just have it singled and they'll still look amazing. I hope you guys just see the style of it. Sorry if you're looking at my nose. Hopefully you guys, I blocked that out, but just the style of the lashes alone looks so friggin' good. I just wanted like a beat with like a nice lip. Okay, cool. Okay, so maybe I should add the Fenty bronzer in Mocha Mami. And I like topping this on top of my bronzer. I mean, I like adding this as a blush type of thing, and it just brings all the warmth back onto my face, which I like a lot. So now I'm gonna go in with my full face foundation and Fenty Beauty. You guys already know I love Fenty Beauty. Look, the pan's almost done. And I'm just gonna add 440 all over my face. Blend out this powder underneath my eyes. Open up your under eye, just make sure everything is blended underneath there. Then we'll go back in with the bronzer brush so I won't lose all that bronzing we did on the forehead. No, this looks so good. Like, my makeup looks so good and soft. You guys know I love to go in with the cold liner. Wet n Wild's cold liner in Gimmer Brown. Let's just get rid of some of that stuff on my lips. Today, I just want to go in with like a nice cute red lip from my brand ALB Cosmetics, and this is in Luscious Red. This is how it looks, you guys. My swatch was pretty trash. You know, Valentine's Day is around the corner. Ooh. It looks so pretty and so juicy. I love how simple my makeup is. So now I want to top it off Wait, you already know what time it is. Charlotte Tilbury. You guys, tell me this look ain't cute. It's definitely giving love on me. Like, just love on me. Let me be your baby girl for Valentine's Day. Let me be your baby girl for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys achieve this for Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Valentine's Day is next week, and we just want to have those vibes vibing. So my lovelies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for joining me, my lovelies, on this wonderful journey. And my loves, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my lovelies. Mwah.